This is specifically studied para sa inyo. This is to shock-proof yourself, your career, your business, your house. I told po yesterday that I wanted to do no-holds-barred teaching about shock-proofing yourself, your business, and your space if you are actually residing in the West. So those who are in the US, Canada, or any part of the Western na mga countries, ini-invite ko po kayo to join me. This is only a virtual teaching. So anyone and everyone can attend. Kung hindi ka makaka-attend ng live, pwede mo tong i-replay. But ang maganda dito, this is specifically studied para sa inyo. This is to shock-proof yourself, your career, your business, your house, everything. No, since you are residing in the afflicted area of 2024 and the onset of period 9, gusto kong mapaghandaan nyo. That's why I termed it shock-proofing for 2024.